look at this. I was gifted this Blackstone ProSeries 4-burner 36-inch propane griddle for Father's Day. So thank you to my beautiful, amazing wife. I have zero experience griddling, but have been wanting to get into the griddling world for some time now. So hopefully I can go from griddle zero to hero. I really like the design of this griddle, which I believe this particular model is only available at Walmart. Here's a grease trap on the back, and this thing even comes equipped with a cutting board. I don't think I'll do any prepping at the griddle, but it's nice to have. And you can remove it and have quick access to a trash bag using the trash bag holder below. This griddle also comes with plenty of storage. I'll most likely store all of my griddle tools and some seasonings, and there is one large skinny drawer for larger items and then 2 additional drawers. Now check this part out. I don't have to hurt my back trying to get my propane tank in and out of this thing. I can slide it right out, connect it, and slide it back in with ease. I'm getting a little older and I am not immune to back soreness, so this feature was a big selling point for me. Here's another tray with a magnetic strip to hang some utensils, and check this out, a paper towel holder. This griddle comes with 4 burners with an ignition, and I have another video coming out in a bit to show you how to light it. It's slightly different from a regular grill when it comes to lighting, so stay tuned for that. And you probably already know this, but remember, I'm a griddle zero at this point, but I'm learning. The stainless steel top is hefty and sturdy, but it opens pretty easy. I've seen some new griddles come out with this insert glued to the griddle surface, but this one was attached with magnets for easy removal. This Blackstone Griddle Pro Series from Walmart also comes with lockable wheels on every side, which makes it super easy to move around. This is a good sized griddle, but moving it takes no effort at all. I plan on storing this griddle in a different place than where I'll be cooking, so I'll have to move it after every use, but now it's no trouble with these wheels. Lock the wheels in place and it's good to go. Oh, and a warning. This stainless steel top gets crazy hot when sitting in the sun, so be careful when touching it, especially on hot sunny days. To keep it cooler and protect the griddle, I bought this cover. Now it's stored until the next time I use it. My plan is to season it next, which I'll have to study up on, so look out for that video as well. Hopefully I won't completely destroy it, but if you do want to join me on my journey from griddle zero to hero and learn with me, subscribe, or if you just want to see some major fails and potential burnt burgers, stay tuned for that as well. I'll link this griddle up in the description if you're interested in getting one for yourself. Thanks for watching.